This is a big topic that we get asked about a lot at Ad Education Lab. How do I expand into new marketplaces as an Amazon seller? Expanding into new countries sounds exciting. More customers, more reach, more growth. But it's rarely that simple. For example, expanding from Canada to the US is not the same as making your product available beyond your local French marketplace, like in Germany. Every market has its own rules, taxes, and shopping behaviors. What performs well in France might not even get a click in Germany. No surprise. 7 out of 10 advertisers say local market knowledge is their biggest barrier to growth across Europe. Many advertisers reuse the same ad across every marketplace and hope it sticks. But localization isn't just translation, it's about connection. Tone, visuals, and even color preferences vary from country to country. The same ad that feels inspiring in Italy might feel off in the UK. That's why local context matters. So how do you scale globally without stretching your resources? The key is to make data and technology work for you, not the other way around. Start with smart insights. Use Google Market Finder to discover where demand for your products is rising fastest. Dive into Amazon Ads, Insights dashboards to see which regions and keywords convert best. Try Chime or other social listening tools to spot trending topics in each country. And if you're unsure where to expand next, ask ChatGPT to analyze your category and suggest which markets to prioritize, based on competition, consumer behavior, and language fit. AI isn't here to replace marketers, it's here to help them move faster. You can use tools like SimilarWeb to compare regional traffic and performance, or Copy.ai and Canva Magic, right to test local ad copy variations in seconds. Even simple prompts like, "How do shoppers in Spain search for eco-friendly products?" can give you quick cultural insights that make your creative more relevant. Expanding your brand across markets doesn't mean running more ads, it means running smarter ones. Use data to identify opportunity, local insights to make your creative resonate, and modern tools to scale efficiently. The most successful advertisers combine smart tech, local understanding, and creativity to grow globally, without losing what makes their brand unique. I hope you found at least some of this insight useful for you. Follow at Ad Education Lab for more advertising insights. See you soon.